Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here, and in today's video we're going to talk about a trend that I've noticed amongst big time finance YouTubers. Basically, they're saying that you can retire or quit your job with only a $50 investment into certain stocks. I don't know that to be entirely true, but let's talk about it. So, to no surprise, those videos from those big time finance YouTubers have all done very well. And I assume that one guy did it and it did pretty well, and the other guys kind of piggybacked off that to create a somewhat viral video. And much respect and props to them. So, they did offer some really good advice in those videos in terms of the stock selection and some of the plays to take. But I want to be very clear that you cannot retire and or quit your job with only $50. So I just want to put that out there. No knock against them, but it just is what it is. However, $50 can be a good start for you. And as I mentioned, even though the thumbnails and titles were a bit misleading, there was some really good information in all of the videos, and we're going to talk about that now. And I'll start with the first thing. One of the gentlemen mentioned that $50 invested consistently over time can build to big results, and I 100% agree with that. While making a one-time $50 investment, I don't care what it's into, 99.9% of the time it's not going to make you rich and allow you the ability to retire and quit your job. However, $50 invested every day or every week or every other day into certain stocks or just the broader stock market in general can make a difference in your life over time. And also, I wanted to mention the stocks that the gentleman recommended, such as Palantir, SoFi, Amazon, Tesla. These are all blue chip companies that are more than worthy of your $50 investment. So in that regard, I 100% agree with them. Which takes me to my next point, and the most important point of the video, which was not to, give these guys a hard time, but more so to talk about how you can actually take $50 and execute on it on a consistent basis. So now in the modern day of investing, there's multiple brokerages that will allow you to invest in fractional shares. So when a stock like Amazon or Facebook or Tesla may be $100, $200, $300, $400, 10 years ago this was not available. You wouldn't be able to take $50 and invest in those stocks. But here's a way that you can execute with your $50 and take advantage of these large and mega cap stocks. So let's say you have your $50 and you wanted to invest in Facebook, Amazon, SoFi, and Tesla. Now, all of these stocks combined, even for just one share, is probably over $1,000, but you've only got $50. However, in the new landscape of investing and being able to buy fractional shares, you can just put $12.50 in each one of those stocks every time you want to invest $50, and you can build your portfolio that way. You're essentially kind of building your own index fund, so to speak, or your own ETF, so to speak. And that's just an example. Of course, pick your own 4 stocks, do your own research, but that is a way to get in the game with $50, take advantage of it, and be able to execute. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys found this video informative. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.